Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to put 3 hairs or equip 3 hairs on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. All we have to do is go to Google and just Google search for BT Roblox. This extension is completely safe and free. So just click on the first link here, and then select Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension, alright. So once we have the extension added, we'll just go back into Roblox and refresh the page here. And as you can see, the UI changes a little bit. If it changes, that means that you have successfully installed this. Now what we have to do is go into our avatar here, and then we'll go into head and body and just click on hair. So from the hair section, as you can see, we have multiple hair here. If we want to equip or put 3 hairs, we'll just left click on one. Now we'll left click on another. And like this, we have just equipped 3 hairs. And we can also do 4, 5. However many you want, and that's how you do it. So that's basically how you can equip 3 hairs on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.